Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add texture to the curved 3D prints in 2026. So first of all, you need to simply just prepare the pattern that you want to use and make sure that you save it as an SVG file. So a simple black and white design with a transparent background is going to work best. So I already have downloaded the SVG file, but if you don't know how you can convert your JPG file or the PNG file to SVG, I've created a dedicated tutorial on this particular topic as well. So you can check that out on our channel. So first of all, when you have the SVG file available, you need to just simply open your Bamboo Studio application and import your curved model. So over here, let's say I want to just use this particular model, and you need to simply select your model and then right click on it, then click on the option of add part and click on the option of SVG. Now over here, from your device, you just have to simply select your SVG file and then open it. Now when the SVG editor opens in front of you, among the given options, you just have to simply click on the option of use surface. So this is the important part because it allows the SVG to basically follow the shape of the curved model instead of remaining flat. So as you can see, it is now have covered my egg, something like this, and it is kind of showing a pattern over here. So you can just simply now use this particular yellow button in order to scale it, in order to rotate it and adjust it as per your design. So over here, as you can see, the design or this egg or this curved surface is just simply looking great. Now if you want to change its color, you need to first of all select the object, and now you need to go to the objects section, then you need to click on it, then right click on it and select the option of change filament. So I'm just going to select the option of change filament, and now you will see that the design has the yellow color, whereas the curved display has different color. So now you can choose both of these in order to see how this is going to look. So basically that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.